Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to head down towards the Changi Coastal connector that connects East Coast Park to the Tanah Merah Coastal Drive. Let's go! You'll come to this, where it's the MOE Changi Outdoor Park. Instead of going to Jurassic Mile, you turn right and you go here. This is a beautiful stretch, about 1.5 kilometers. Extremely nice. Very well shaded too in the morning. Well, it's afternoon now, so still I'm here to cycle, get some fresh air and train the legs a bit. Right, follow me. I shan't talk too much, so enjoy the view, enjoy the views. You're gonna see some really good sea views. Changi Coastal Park Connector, that's where we are. Nice day, you see people sailing. Windsurfing, sorry, not sailing. Woo! Time now is about 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So yes, it's a little bit hot, but well, cycling brings you out. The good thing in the day, it is much brighter, so you can see. At night, while it is lighted, it's a bit dark. Yep, let's go. So I think I'm coming to the end soon. It's just a very short connector. Yes, you will see this hut, which is actually an eco-friendly toilet. Eco-friendly toilet. Why eco-friendly? Because there is no flush. It uses rainwater. So if you want to stop here to pee and poo, no flush, huh? Okay, I'm going to pull over one side just to take a look. There. There's it, you see, beautiful views. And that's where I just came from. Ciao ciao. Okay peeps, this is the coastal toilet, eco toilet, and we're gonna head back via the coastal loop. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Right. So 1.3 kilometer stretch, which will lead me right back to East Coast Park PCN. That's where we connect to East Coast Park. Yay. That's it, so fast. Approaching the junction where I turn left, and onward will be East Coast Park PCN already. Woo! Pretty neat. Let's go. That, ladies and gentlemen, shows you the this coastal loop both ways. Thank you for watching. Whoa, 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 whoa. Boom. It's gonna be very crowded in East Coast Park today, Saturday.